Okay guys, so today we're at Cox Mowers. This is the manufacturing facility where they make all the tractors and zero turns and stuff like that. So me and Russ are going to go, we're getting a tour and we're going to get a look at how some of the mowers are made, and we're going to get to take some mowers back to the Catch Pro Paddock as well. So stay tuned. Alright, so the SuperCruiser, is this a 40, this one's the 42?
This is 42, so you know, take for a spin?
Yeah, I think we'll take this one, yep. So 42 and 48, this comes in.
Beauty. So we've altered now, so the path brake's been solved.
Yep.
We've done a wraparound full protection system.
Yeah, engine guard, yep.
So the engine guard's got a full wraparound system.
Yep.
And to be honest, there was a feedback from our dealers. They wanted another drink holder, so we've put another drink holder in.
So I'll be mowing with me morning coffee plus me water now.
Yeah. And
just quickly,
the old toolbox had to stay.
Man, I just
toolbox.
Everyone, hey, yeah, Russ.
Toolbox.
This is for Rusty to put his chapstick when he's mowing. I'm telling you, get right in here. This is just bloody fantastic.
No more of this.
Yeah, look at him. And we're not even.
I don't have my cargo pants.
And we're not even working. So when you're mowing on one of these rigs, you can have your seckies, your ciggies, your drinks, your
wallet.
Chapstick, eh?
Wallet.
Chapstick?
Chapstick. Lipstick.
This doesn't have the pivoting front axle?
Yeah, it does.
It's okay, cool. So that's what I was really interested in. So when I take it out to the paddock, this is something that I've never actually used a machine that has that pivoting front axle. And I've heard good things about it, I've heard bad things, but not about the particular Cox model, but I've done my own research on the old Ferris models that used to have it. And so I'm really interested in that. But yeah.
I'm interested in you have your feedback on it, but
yeah,
it is something that differentiates us from our competitors, and every model we've got now has...
What angle does it pivot to? Like?
Goes to 15 degrees.
15 degrees.
Yeah. So effectively, if you are hitting those potholes and everything, so it's going to allow for a smoother ride as well.
Definitely smoother ride.
Yeah.
But what it does...
And helps the scalping.
It gives you the deck at the front aligns where your terrain is.
That's right,
which means you're not mowing 1 inch higher on one side than the other.
Okay guys, we're having a look at the next model. This is the Stockman, what is it? The Stockman?
This is our base model Stockman.
Base model Stockman. So this is going to be in your residential 1 to 2 acre sort of, or even just a bigger size property, anything that you don't want to push mow up to 2 acres. PJ is going to give us a rundown, but we've actually been using one of these at our site, specifically because we have the 32 inch, which helps us get through gates. And it has a beautiful finishing cut, and it's just been really great to use in that environment. So what's going to happen is Pete's going to run us over some of the details of this and give us a full breakdown. So do you want to...
Yeah. Well, thank you.
Yep.
Thanks, Ben. As you pointed out, Rusty and you guys have been using, this is you've been using one of our prototypes.
Yep.
Whilst this looks very similar to what our current range is, the big difference is the chassis, and we've always had issues, when I took over, having the fact that we had 8 different chassis and 16 different deck combinations.
Wow.
So this is now the new Cox, we call it the Cox Stockman, because it's a chassis that will be able to give us a base model, a medium price model, and a premium model, all based on the configuration of the same chassis.
Yep.
There'll be different wheel sizes, different engine configurations and different decks.
Yep.
But we get a commonality now with that chassis. So we
Okay,
get some
cool.
efficiencies
Yes.
in the manufacturing process.
Yeah,
Finally.
definitely. Yep. Okay, oh, I think that's great. And also, so just we've got, mate, one thing I noticed, we've got two drink holders.
Two cup
Yeah,
holders.
yeah,
I knew you were going there.
I was just, hey, I mean, it was one of the things that I brought up. So that's
For your
been
mocker
fantastic.
and one for your ice glass.
Yeah, you know, in the mornings when you're jumping on, you got your coffee, then you got your water with you. So we'll have a quick flick under here.
So this one's running in the base model configuration. We'll have the Cox 15 horsepower,
Yep.
which is the Lonsing sourced engine.
Yep.
Or we've got the Briggs and Stratton 15.5.
Beauty.
The mid-range comes with the 17.5 Briggs and Stratton or the 16V twin Briggs and Stratton, and then the top of the range gets the 20 horsepower twin, 22 horsepower twin, 25 horsepower twin.
25
So,
horsepower.
25 horsepower twin professional is a rocket ship.
Yeah. Is that the one we're jumping? Rusty? Okay, so what we have here is the Greenfield Piecemaker mulcher, shredder,
Chipper.
chipper.
mulcher,
Yeah, yeah.
chipper mulcher.
So I don't have a lot of experience with these. I'm mostly doing grass and stuff like that. So PJ is going to give us a rundown of all of this and what application it fits in, and all the things that it can do. So I'll hand you over. So these have been around for a long time, though.
Yes, they have. So
Yep.
Greenfield designed this particular model probably 20 odd years ago.
Yep.
It was designed for two specific reasons. Palm fronds down the side, down through the main chute, and then you've got up to 70 mil going down into the main
Wow.
chute here.
So what we'll do is we'll just get you to have a look at this so that people can actually put that into context of what you can and can't do.
And why these are so good is probably we've got a tilt mechanism where you can get in. There's the blades. So you've got the two blades on either sides, and basically as the twig or the frond comes down, it's chopped. It's chopped so often because this is obviously running at such a high speed that it throws out particles roughly about 3 to 4 mil. So
Yep,
it ends up
okay.
with a really fine mulch.
Beauty.
That is super popular for mainly the domestic mum and dad market, who is looking after keeping their gardens good but getting rid of their palm fronds at the same time.
Yeah, yeah,
So
okay.
the classic recycling.
And we always know how they can fall like bloody crazy, so
Saves multiple.
yeah. And is this whole rig pretty easy to manoeuvre around,
As you see, you can just tighten these back up,
Okay.
right? And then once you've got them all tight,
Yep.
it's just a matter of
So then you're just wheeling it over to your workspace.
off you go.
Have a look at that. So, and what does something like this retail for?
Retail, this one's a $1,500
Cool.
retail.
Yep.
There's another one that's got a slightly bigger, more powerful engine.
Yep.
It's $1,700. You've got electric start. For
Okay.
those who don't want to do the pull,
Yeah.
it's $1,750.
Okay. And is that sort of in the same application but with just some better features, or is it
Just
better?
basically bigger engines.
Bigger engine and stuff like that. Okay, cool. So realistically, with one of these, for your homeowners, or I know contractors that have these, and they'll do a garden cleanup, whatever, and they'll just go home and they'll just chip the green waste into their own yard. But
Good idea.
this will save you a few trips to the dump.
Yeah, well, certainly. I haven't taken the palm frond to the Cleveland tip since I've been working here.
And we do it every day. All right.
It's the beast.
The
Beast.
I'm just going to call that the Beast.
Yeah, so that's
Is that one that we talked about a
this
while ago?
is our commercial unit. This is the baby one.
Wow.
Baby one.
Bull nose deck.
Yeah, so this is I think this is a 60. There's a 54, a 60, and a 72.
Oh, it's got the broke back seat. Me.
Yeah, it's a really nice piece of kit.
Yeah.
Yeah, lovely piece of kit.
Hey,
Yeah, go for it. Yeah, jump on, take it for a spin.
take it for a spin.
No.
Yeah, he gets nervous.
No, take it for a spin.
Take it for a spin, mate. This looks wicked.
Ready to return.
Huh?